All right, so this video is looking at the argument essay, body paragraphs, topic sentences. Students will be able to write clear topic sentences and support them with several points that flow. For this video, we're going to just be looking at topic sentences, and we'll look at support and flow in later videos. So let's get into it. So first of all, keep in mind that this is topics, and these examples here are topic sentences for paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. And this is the topic that all of these topic sentences are addressing. Should Americans visit Kuwait at least once? So here, first one, unclear. Kuwait is a small country and has few places to go. So the reason why this is unclear is because the thing is that you can say they should visit Kuwait because there's few places to go, so they can relax. Also, or you can say that they shouldn't visit Kuwait because it has few places because they won't be able to have fun. So it's unclear because we don't know exactly why should they or shouldn't they. Here's a clear one. All Americans should visit Kuwait at least once because it's easy to live there. Again, they give us a reason and they tell us what they should do. Unclear, not being able to adapt is a huge reason why Americans do not visit Kuwait. And again, this is a very good point, and I even agree with this. However, it's unclear if they're saying that they should, because if they're not able to adapt, you could say they shouldn't, because if they go, they're going to have a hard time because they can't adapt. Or you still could say they should visit, because since they're not able to adapt, it'll be a great reason for them to go and learn how to adapt. All right? Get them to be a little bit uncomfortable. Here's a clear one. Experiencing a new culture is the main reason why Americans should visit Kuwait. And so you see that these two examples are very clear and very different ways of writing a topic sentence. Even these other unclear ones, you should be able to rewrite these and make them clear. Here are some more examples for paragraphs 1 and 2. Unclear. Kuwait is a small country with 0 cities, similar to the last one where it's like, should they or shouldn't they? Still, you're not telling me, you're saying it's small, but that could be a good thing because they can relax, or that could be a bad thing because they can't have fun. Here's a clear one. It's good to experience other cultures, so it is good for Americans to visit Kuwait at least once. So it is telling us what they should do, and why. Here's a clear one. Many Americans love to explore and discover new places, which is why they should not visit Kuwait, because there are not many places to visit. So this is clearly giving us an opinion about this topic and why, because they like to explore. So now we're transitioning to body paragraph 3, the third body paragraph. Same topic. Here's a clear one. Some Americans might argue that going to Kuwait is a terrible idea because they have too many rules. So this reason why this is clear, because they're saying some Americans may argue, or some people may argue, or some people may think or believe, or whatever word you want to synonym you want to use for this. This is telling me I understand that this person was arguing that Americans should visit Kuwait. And in the third paragraph, what you're supposed to be doing is acknowledge the other side. So you're saying that yeah, they should. They might be a little there are a lot of rules, but this paragraph, third paragraph, should show us why those rules are not a big deal and they still should visit Kuwait. Here's an unclear one. No, this was from the last one. Here's a clear one. On the other hand, when visiting a new country for the first time, people may not be completely comfortable the first time. So this is one topic sentence right here, and it's good because they're telling us that I can understand from this that they were arguing in their first two paragraphs that Americans should visit, and they're saying that, they're acknowledging that it might not be completely comfortable the first time. And then so in the rest of this paragraph, they're going to support how some things that might not be comfortable in visiting, but they're going to say why those things are not bad. Here is another clear example. On the other hand, the weather is not always perfect. So again, this is clear because I understand that the paragraphs before this, they were arguing they should visit, and now they're bringing up a point why they may not be while the weather's not the best, but they're going to give support to this why they should still visit. Okay, and last two clear examples for the third body paragraph. Despite Kuwait having its own weird weather, culture, and transportation, Americans should visit, but there are a few things that they might not like about it. Again, it's very clear that this person was arguing that they should visit Kuwait, and now they're in the third paragraph and they're saying that there are some things that might not be the best, but they can still handle it. Kuwait does have hot weather, but it is very manageable. Again, another clear third paragraph, body paragraph, topic sentence. What I loved about all these different examples, and go watch these again, is that they have been written in so many different ways, and so this gives you a lot of different ways that you can write your topic sentences. And all the clear ones were very clear. Even the ones that were unclear, you should know how to rewrite them to make them clear. So we're going to move on to some review. I'm going to give you some sentences with questions. Please answer them all correctly. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. Next one. And last one. All right. I expect you guys to be able to give me some nice, clear, great topic sentences in our next class. See you then.